Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are exciting to start your journey with forever living products but are wondering how do I register and get my forever ID, then this video is for you. Today I will walk you through the step-by-step process to become a forever business owner. So let's get started. What is a forever living ID? A forever living ID is a unique identification number given by the company when you register as an FBO, forever business owner. This ID lets you purchase products as a distributor prices, take your business growth and earn bonuses. Whether you want to build a business or simply use products at a discount, this ID is your entry point. Step by step registration process. Step 1. Visit the official site. Go to foreverliving.com or the official FLP site for your country. Select your country and click on join now or sign up. Choose your sponsor. You will need to enter the ID of your sponsor, the person who introduced you to FLP. If you do not have a sponsor, contact me. I will share my FBO ID. Step 3. Fill your personal details. Enter your name, mobile number, email address and mailing address. Make sure all information is accurate. Then upload documents. You may need to upload ID proof, PAN card or a passport size photo. This depends on your country's FLP policy. Step 6. Agree to terms and submit. Check the terms and condition box, then click submit. You will receive a confirmation email with your forever living ID and password. Congratulations, you have now officially part of the forever family. Now that you have your forever ID, here's what do you do. What can you do? Log in in your FBO dashboard. Start buying products at distributor price. Attend official training and webinars. Start sharing products and building your team. Track your case studies, bonus and progresses. Do not forget to contact with your sponsor or offline for guidance. They can help you set goals, promote products and grow faster. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumb. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for more FLP tutorials and success tips. Got any question? Drop them in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. See you in the next video. Thank you.